Submitting documents to Instagram for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather the necessary documents that Instagram requires for account verification. This may include a government-issued ID, business documents, or any other relevant identification. Step 2. Access your account settings. Log into your Instagram account and navigate to your profile. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu, then select Settings. Step 3. Request verification. In the Settings menu, find and select Account. Look for the Request Verification option and click on it. This will take you to the verification request form. Step 4. Fill out the verification form. Complete the verification form by entering your account name, account category, and any other required information. Ensure that you upload the prepared documents in the specified format. Step 5. Submit your requests. After filling out the form and uploading the documents, review all the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to send your verification request to Instagram. After following these steps, you will receive a notification from Instagram regarding the status of your verification request. Be patient, as the review process may take some time.